Hey guys, it's been a while since I never posted any videos. I deeply apologize for not uploading some videos for a while. Yeah, let me just explain everything. So, you remember that I usually made Friday night fucking ASMRs videos and stuff? And some of your comments are, repeatedly saying, "Where is PICO X Listener Part 2? Where is it?" Um, it's a long story, alright? But that doesn't mean I give up making on it and I don't cancel it. If I cancel it, all of you guys are gonna be so upset, and I don't want that. So, yeah, I'm taking a break on that. And I'm taking a break on another project that I need to use to work on FNF replacement. So yeah, I promise I will continue to work on Pico X Listener Part 2. All right, for you guys, for all of you. I you guys are keep on begging, and I almost forgot. All right. See, if you're watching this, I am deeply apologize. I apologize to you, see. I deeply apologize. Yeah, the last video that I usually post, for Pico X Listener, it came out for 10 months ago. Jeez! 10 months? It's gonna turn 11, and almost becoming a year now. And and I'm fully sorry, alright? This Pico X Listener Part 2 is gonna be without the microphone. Yes, I have a microphone, for a month ago. I don't remember, but I think month ago, I have my own microphone to record. Finally! So, apologies for the bad quality. Ugh. Okay, anyways, that's all I'm gonna say. Thank you for watching, and thank you for listening to this. Yeah, that's it. Bye bye, and stay safe. Bye bye, everyone.